everybody, what's up? I'm Steph, I'm the Secret Slob. Today I'm gonna share a really slick little hack with you for getting your house cleaned super fast. It's called the 5x5. Every time my house gets out of control, this is what I use to get it back on track. So today, my house is a little bit, well, things have gotten a little out of control and I'm gonna get it all back on track using the 5x5. So all you need to get started is a timer and 25 minutes. Let's get started.
All right, so to do the 5x5, you're gonna pick 5 rooms in your house and set the timer for 5 minutes, 5 times. Get it? 5x5. So the first thing we're gonna do is set the timer for 5 minutes. I like to start in the worst room in the house. For me, that's often the kitchen. It's kind of the one that always takes the longest. Set that timer for 5 minutes and start hustling. Work as fast as you can to get as much as you can done in that room until the timer stops. As soon as that timer stops, I'm moving on to the next room. It doesn't matter what you've got done in the first room. Stop, put everything down, and move on. For me, the second room I'm working in is my dining room. I always make sure to have a laundry basket for clothes and a bin for toys. Because I have little kids, that's the majority of the things that are kind of strewn about my house. So if I can collect them all in one bin, and then I can take them to where they belong at the very end. Timer's up, let's move on to room number 3. Room number 3 for me is my living room. This one's mostly gonna be tidying and a little bit of vacuuming. It shouldn't take as long as the dining room or the kitchen. I finished in this room early with some time to spare. I'm gonna head back to a room that needs a little bit extra attention. In this case, it's the kitchen. This is why I always do the kitchen first, because then when I have extra time from the other rooms, I can go back and use 2 minutes, 1 minute, 30 seconds to get a few more things done. Time's up for our third 5-minute round. I'm moving on to room number 4. Room number 4 is our TV room or office, which we do no office work in, but our TV room where we just like to hang out. Once again, I had a little bit of extra time left over, so I went back into the kitchen and wiped down all of the surfaces. Even those last few seconds from each 5-minute section is working towards getting this room all cleaned up. Okay, final round, set that timer one last time, 5 minutes. I'm gonna work on my front entrance, and where it needs a little bit more attention is my back entrance. A lot of this is tidying and just running over it with a vacuum. Having clean floors makes your house look 10 times cleaner. It's probably the most important thing you can do to make it look like you have a clean house after having clean sinks and a toilet. With my last few seconds from this 5th round, I'm gonna put the rest of those dishes away, get all the toys that I gathered in the bin, run them downstairs, and I am all finished.
Whew. Okay, all done. That was super intense. I got so much done in only 25 minutes. Really, my house doesn't look perfect. I mean, it's not like I did a full deep clean, but it looks so much better than when I started. I mean, I could even have company over if I was allowed to have company over, but we don't have to go there. Anyways, it's just looking so much better, and sometimes I find when my house is out of control, I don't even know where to start. I feel overwhelmed and grumpy about it. I set the timer and just get started. It is actually incredible how much you can get done in only 5 minutes per room. So I really encourage you to give this a try, especially if you're feeling overwhelmed. Just start the timer for 5 minutes. You can pick 5 totally different rooms from me. You know, maybe you want to hit your bathrooms for 5 minutes, or maybe you have a bedroom that's just out of control. Whatever you need to tackle. I use that little timer trick all the time to get me motivated to get started. So let me know in the comments if you're gonna give this 5x5 trick a try. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you love this video, and please don't forget to subscribe for more content from The Secret Slob. I will talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you want to try the 5x5, I've made a special 25-minute timer that buzzes every 5 minutes. Check it out. I'll link it right here. Get started with your own 5x5 right now.